Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through 5 Proton Mail settings you should change immediately. Getting started with Proton Mail is good, but don't just use the defaults. You can change these 5 settings immediately to max out your privacy and security. Number 1, enable two-factor authentication. You have to turn on two-factor authentication. This is the single most important security setting. It adds a second login step, making it impossible for anyone to access your account with just your password. 2. Stop a recovery method. Now, for number 1 of setting up enabling two-factor authentication, check out our video on how to enable two-factor authentication. And the next one is setting up a recovery method. Recovery email or phrase should be set up to avoid getting locked out, but crucially, avoid using a phone number for recovery as it directly links your anonymous account to your real identity. Now, if you want to know how to set up a recovery method or option, check out our video on how to set up a recovery option on Proton Mail. Next, turn on password authentication. Number 3 is enable password authentication. For your encrypted mailbox, this has a separate password that you must enter to open the app, adding a critical layer of security if your device is locked. Now, to do this, you can check out our video on how to auto-lock Proton Mail, which is an Proton Mail app. It's a video we have here. You should see the links in the description. So next, you have to review connected apps and sections. Then you check your active out sections, regularly review this list, and log out of any old device or sections you don't recognize. This boots out anyone who might have access. You want to see a video on how to do this exact steps, check out our video on how to revoke all sessions, how to end all sessions or sign out. Actually, the video is how to sign out of all other sections on Proton Mail. So the next step is step 5, which is to disallow alternative routing. Now, why disallowing or turning off alternative routing is to help you bypass because this feature actually helps bypass censorship, but it can reduce connection security. So have it disabled unless you absolutely need it to access Proton Mail in a restricted region. Hope you found this video helpful.